Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about Yalda Night, a special night in Iran. Yalda Night is the longest night of the year and it happens on the first night of winter, usually on December 20th or 21st. On this night, families get together and spend time with each other, usually at their parents' or grandparents' house, and it is a family tradition. People eat traditional food like pomegranates and watermelon, which are a symbol of life and health. Another important tradition is reading poetry, especially poems by Hafez, and people believe these poems can give them hope and guidance. Yalda Night is not just about food, it is about being together, talking, laughing, and feeling close. And for many Iranians, it's a happy and meaningful night.